Here's a 2019 Ram Quad Cab Express, only 4,400 mile, one owner with a clean Carfax in red. Really excellent, like new alternative here with only 4,400 miles on a 19. Got this vehicle off lease, and as you can see, really nice. The Express trim gives you a unique look right off the jump. You can see it's a painted front end, all one color with the classic Dodge Crosshair grille. You do have the halogen headlamps and the integrated lights in the lower bumper fascia there. Black honeycomb insert behind the grille gives it a nice sport look. So we work around to the side, you can see it does have the upgraded 20-inch chrome clad wheels, and you'll notice brand new Wow Peak tires here on this vehicle, as well as resurfaced rotor and thick brake pad. That's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles, really focusing on replacing the wearables. You can find the results of that inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. As we take a look through the passenger side front seat area, you can see we have a light gray, dark charcoal, two-tone cloth interior with a 40-20-40 fold-down split bench seat. Nice, gives you 6-passenger capability. You know, the truck without the console there gives you a little more leg room. But as you can see, I want to show you real quick here that report that I was talking about. The photos of this are in our photo gallery, but I want to really just highlight here, brand new 13 30-seconds on all the tread, and then 12 30-seconds on all the brakes. So you will not have to put any money into these vehicles after you purchase them, and that's what we want to do. So make sure you have low cost ownership here and the early going. As we look in through the back, now this is a quad cab, so the half cab, but you can see there's very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room there for the rear occupants. Also, this seat does fold up. There's a nice little cargo area there underneath. Does have a 6-foot 4-inch bed here, so you get the longer bed option with the half cab. Again, you can see brand new tires all the way around, no scuffs or scrapes on the wheels. And it does have the inner wheel well liner, but you can see there's no rust or oxidation there on the trailing arms and frame. Working our way around to the back, you can see you do get the chrome tip dual exhaust, which is nice. Also, you do have the hitch with the integrated wiring and the backup camera. Does have a factory spray and bed liner from Dodge there as well, which is nice. Working our way around to the side again, brand new tires. Wheels are like new. No oxidation on any of the undercarriage. And then you can see very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner, was a non-smoker. Manual adjustment on both seats. We also do have 2 sets of keys for this vehicle. I'll show you those. It has the integrated fob. Also your switch controls here, your doors, your windows, and your mirrors are all located on the door panel. Let's go ahead and hop up. Start it up, and you hear the nice rumble of the dual exhaust. I'll show you, only 4,497 miles. Let's continue the tour. You do have a button here for your cargo light and a dimmer switch for your interior. It does have automatic headlamp controls here with push button for your fogs. You have your high beams, turn signals, intermittent wiper washers right there. It is equipped with Bluetooth. This is your keypad for your customizable dash in the center. This is your cruise control to the right, and the ability to select any of the gears in a multi-speed transmission with a push of a button there above that. It does have the AM/FM satellite radio. Here is your automatic shifter with your electronic push button 4-wheel drive. It does have the brake controller here, as you can see, climate control, your traction control, and your tow haul button. Like I say, 3 nice large cup holders, and all your connectivity is in this center console. You can see your USBs and your auxiliary. LED map lights up here, manual dim on your rear view, no visors or illumination visors there. Let's go ahead and take a peek. You do have a foot pedal there for your emergency brake. Hood release is right there. It does have heated mirrors, as you can see there as well. Now this does have the 5.7 liter Hemi engine, classic Dodge engine. Of course, only 4,000 miles, very clean, quiet, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on the electrical terminals. Obviously 4,400 miles, 4,400 miles. It's going to be like new all the way around this truck. Let's go ahead and shut it off. So I showed you the mechanical evaluation. We got the Carfax and audit check History reports, they're clean, one owner, no accidents. You can see them on our website. Last part of making an informed buying decision is minor blemishes, which I'll go over here real quick. There's not going to be much to show on this truck. We do our very best to only buy the cleanest off of these vehicles, obviously 4,400 miles. This one is like new. Little gouge here in the protective cover, but that's what it's there for. A couple of little stone chips here we're going to see around the bed. But all in all, minor scratch there on the tailgate. A couple of little ones here by the door handle, or excuse me, tailgate handle. A couple of little stone chips on the corner of the painted bumper. Probably the worst scratch right there. We touched it up with factory matching paint, but on that bedside, a couple of little scratches here. Otherwise, we might have a little paint chip there. Little one here on the door. But all in all, excellent like new alternative, can save you thousands over new. Vehicles typically do depreciate the most in the first year of ownership. So to get one 1 year old with only 4,400 miles, it does still have the remainder of all of the warranties transferable from Dodge or Ram to the next owner. So you can buy this vehicle with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Look us up on the web at www.allthingsautomotive.com or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.